Hi, I'm attorney Ben Schwartz. Today we're going to answer a question from Kelly in Wilmington, Delaware. Kelly wrote in, she said, I was recently bitten by a neighbor's dog and I need to have surgery on my face, but I have no health insurance. How do I get the money to pay for it, to pay for the surgery? So here's the thing, Kelly. It would be great if you had health insurance. A lot of times when people come to my office after a serious personal injury case and they don't have health insurance, we refer them to the state of Delaware to try to apply for Medicaid insurance if their income or asset levels are low enough. So I would say, even if you don't currently have health insurance, if you might qualify for Medicaid, you should apply for it. If Medicaid credentials you, enrolls you, then they will retroactively pay for your hospital visit and your medical treatment. Let's say that you're in a situation where you don't have the ability to qualify for Medicaid and you can't afford private health insurance. What do you do to get money to pay for the medical treatment you need from the dog bite? There's a few things. Number one, oftentimes when a dog bite happens on the dog owner's premises at their home or in their apartment, they will have insurance. And the insurance will cover a personal injury case against them, but it will also sometimes cover medical treatment, regardless of whether you have a valid case or not, regardless of whether anyone was at fault, regardless of whether you fit under the statute that allows you to sue. And this type of homeowners insurance or premises insurance is called MedPay. Oftentimes, homeowners will have $5,000, $10,000, sometimes more in MedPay coverage, and it pays for medical treatment regardless of who's at fault. And so if you've been bitten by a dog, my advice is ask your attorney to contact the insurance company for the homeowner or the business owner, whoever owns the dog, and inquire whether there is a MedPay policy. If there is, they'll tell you there's a $5,000 MedPay or $10,000 MedPay policy. What have you, you take the claim number, give it to your doctor, and let your doctor treat you, and then bill the MedPay insurance and get paid for the services rendered. Another way that you might pay for medical treatment for a dog bite related injury is if you have an attorney and the attorney evaluates your case and says, yes, this is a good case, we think you're likely to get a settlement, the attorney could contact the doctor or the surgery center or what have you and offer to pay their bills out of your settlement or out of your expected settlement when you get one. This is called a letter of protection. It's a letter that you sign and your lawyer signs, and you give it to the doctor, and the doctor understands that he or she can treat you, do whatever is needed, and then when the case settles, they'll get paid from the settlement. These are the ways that we go about trying to make sure that people's medical treatment is provided to them in these types of personal injury cases, dog bite cases. If you have questions for me, about the law in general, if you have questions for me about personal injury cases in particular, please send me an email. I love to do these videos. I love to answer questions in the videos. My email address is ben.schwartz@schwartzandschwartz.com. Thanks for watching.